whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as you are working for the Lord, not for the man. This quote I read somewhere and it just shook me a lot. Like, it gives me a great strength to do any work. Like, I don't feel now any work to do like a burden. Whatever I am doing, I just did it with wholeheartedly. I don't know, deep down in my heart, it's like whatever I am doing, I am not doing for the man but for the God. So I just have to be best in it. I should have to give my 100% in it. And trust me guys, this is the only secret of success. It's really a very good quote. You just have to apply in your life, and definitely your world is going to change for you. You just have to do that. Right now I'm just telling you a very good summary, and its book name is You Are a Badass. Yeah, it's really a very lovely book. I just love it because it says so many practical solutions to your problems. Like, actually I don't feel any problem, because problem is not the right word. It's a challenges. Yeah, whatever the challenges life has given you, you just have to play your best, and definitely you will just overcome everything and you're gonna be rock in your life. So let's get started with the summary of this book, which is You Are a Badass. This book tell everyone, whoever is reading this book, that one thing is gratitude. Yeah, whatever you are doing, you just be thankful that you got this chance to do that particular thing. And the most important thing, whatever you are doing, just wherever you are, you just have to embrace yourself. Be a badass and embrace yourself only. Like, whatever I am doing is for my own sake, own freedom, like I liked it, I am honest about it. And you should be always happy, and you should have to give this thing to yourself. You are deserve to be a happy life, to lead a happy life, to be a successful one. So you should be very happy, and you should have that gratitude in your life. So it's very important. Wherever you are, you just have to be very aware. Wherever you are, you should always be happy, and this will make your surrounding also very happy, if you are at a right environment. Okay, so it's very important for you that you should be happy, be positive, and whatever you are doing, just do your 100% in it. And please don't shy to invest. You see, whatever opportunity we have given in our life, we are just stuck on a point where how much money I have to invest. Like, why? Money is just a material thing, darling. So it will come back to you, but you must have to invest. Like, whenever I want a big tree for me, so I have to just put that seed into the ground now. So it's very important. You just have to put that seed into the ground. So it's very important. It's like that only. If you are investing that penny or particular little amount, so it will be come to you back, return back with a great amount. So you just don't need to be shy just to invest money on yourself, especially on yourself. You don't need to shy. I know there are some businesses which is really very risky, but you should have to take risks, and just don't be afraid to just invest in yourself. This book, like, a great game changer for me, because it's not you just have to save your money. If you have saving, you just have to invest it also. But the most beneficial thing, or you can say most safe thing, to be invested on yourself only. It may be anything. Like, if you have to get some loan from others, you just have to do it at least for yourself, because you should be faithful to yourself. You have to be very badass. This book is like so practical for me. Like, yes, Kiran, you have to invest on yourself, and you don't need to think about money, because it will come back to you only when you are going to give the world anything. Like, you can see any aspect of your life, everything. First we have to give a little bit, then only we get in abundance of it. Like, if I'm smiling towards you, definitely you are gonna smile back. So first I have to take initiative. So it's very important that you have to take initiatives in your life. It's really very important. And the most important part of this book is it's tell you that You just always be in a improvement mood. Yes, you should not be sit back. You just have to be come out from your comfort zone. Like we are thinking too much, like what we are just thinking too much for making so many excuses. But if we just put all those thinking, all those excuses in doing ourselves better, and we gonna such a great life. So it's very important that you should have to not think about the excuses. You just focus that excuses into your opportunity. You should have to work hard. You just have to be think that it's a great opportunity for you. You don't need to make any excuses, and it will gonna very fruitful to you guys. So it's very important not to think too much about excuses. You just have to think about how you are gonna grab this opportunity, how you are gonna make this life problem to a big opportunity. Like this book is really very awesome. It gives me a great thinking to be change my mindset. Like I have to invest money, because if I want them back in return, so I don't need to save them, I just have to invest, and the best investment is on myself only. Second, you should have to come out from your comfort zone. I know earlier we are just making so many excuses, but if we are converting that excuses into working very hard or being focused, definitely we get the different results. So it's very important thing. And the third thing which I get from this book is you should be happy. You have to be little badass. You should be little selfish. If you are not gonna happy with yourself, then how you can be happy with other selves, right? So it's very important that you should be happy with yourself first, and then only you are just gonna make your surrounding happy. And if you are gonna make your surrounding happy, definitely then you are gonna make our society proud, our world proud. So it's very important that you have to be happy. Then only you are make others happy. So this book is all about gratitude. Work hard, whatever you are doing, just do your 100% in that. Investment, don't afraid to be investment. Just come out from your comfort zone. Like these things we know very well, but in this book I got so many you can say practical tips that yes, we are not doing in that way, in which way we should have to do. And lastly, what I want to tell you is that I don't know why, but I found all book that I am reading secret book. I don't know why. It is I am only the one who is thinking that, or is it really true? Like secret book tell the same thing to you guys, exactly the same thing. But in this book, definitely the practical tips are different. Like it's little, you can say, explained very well as compared to that book, because in secret book we find it like a miracle, like I have asked and believed and got received. So the one thing which both books symbolizes is that you have to be believe in yourself. Definitely you're gonna rock or gonna do very big in your life, but one thing that you have to believe is that yes, you can. And then a little hard work, little patience, and the continuity, these things also add on in this book. So I just love this book. Please read it and just tell me that how you like this book. So thank you very much, friends. Wish you wealth.